Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to contact Lendingclub's customer support quickly. When you run into an issue with your Lendingclub account, being able to contact customer support quickly is essential. The fastest option is usually by phone, where Lendingclub provides dedicated lines for banking, loans, or card support. Their contact numbers are listed on the official website under the Help or Contact Us section. Calling during business hours typically gets you the quickest response. Another quick method is the in-app support feature. By logging into the Lendingclub mobile app, you can navigate to the support section and either start a request or get directed to the right channel. This can save time compared to browsing the website. If you prefer not to call, you can also reach out by email, although response may take longer. It's a good option for non-urgent matters. Make sure that you include key details like your full name, the last 4 digits of your account, and a clear description of the issue, while never sharing your full account number over unsecure channels. Having multiple contact options ensures that you can solve problems efficiently and keep your account running smoothly. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.